Hello, my name's Marty Marr from Great Ocean Properties. Welcome to 12 Ellis Road here in Aireys Inlet. This is a great recipe for those who are looking for a fantastic little beach house to use right now with the vision to upgrade in the future and build a beautiful home. Set right in the heart of the Oceanside precinct, and it's walking distance to everywhere. You'll literally use your thongs more than your car. You've got the beach just around the corner and you've got cafes and shops just in the other direction. It's set on a corner allotment with just over 900 square metres. This is a great little beach house. If this sounds like you, we'd love to help you. If you contact myself, Marty Marr or Mim Atkinson, we'd love to show you through.